When you accidentally get a burn on your lips, it's important to clean and cool it down to reduce the risk of infection. After cleaning, continue moisturizing your lips and relieving pain with over-the-counter medications. If the burn is red or slightly swollen, it's likely a first-degree burn that can be treated at home. However, if there are blisters, darkened skin, or numbness, it may be a second or third-degree burn and medical assistance is needed. Do not try to pop any blisters at home. If you burn the inside of your mouth, it's also recommended to see a doctor. Clean the burn with liquid soap or a saline solution, then hold a cool, damp cloth on your lip to reduce inflammation. Rub white petroleum jelly onto your lips to keep them moisturized and protected. Avoid touching your lips unnecessarily. Apply aloe gel to relieve the burning sensation, but only for minor burns. If symptoms do not improve or worsen after a week, consult a doctor. Use lip balm with SPF 50 when going out in the sun, or apply a natural sunscreen to your lips.